Good morning, Standard 10 students. Hope you all are ready for the chapter. This is the third module of this chapter. In the previous class, we have completed with the doctrine of lapse, discourtesy of the Mughal emperor, treatment dealt out to Nana Sahib, unpopular administration. These were the political causes. We have also done the religious causes and the social causes. Let me show you few social causes. How the Indians were forced to sit in the same compartment, how they were being humiliated by the Britishers. Let us start with the third cause, that is economic cause, the ruin of trade and handicrafts. So the act in 1720 prohibited the use of Indian silk in England. Indian arts and crafts were crippled by the Britishers. Cotton and silk which had been exported to England from India was seized, because of which thousands of people were unemployed. Loss of livelihood. Annexation of states meant livelihood for thousands of native troops, because of which they lost their jobs and had no alternative source of income. See the economic exploitation, how India's wealth was being drained to England through many sources. Next is the impoverishment of the cultivators. Zamindars were the revenue collectors, and they used to keep certain percentage of what they received. Now these zamindars were being made the permanent settlement in 1793. Now because of this, they were being given power to remove the cultivators for non-payment of taxes. Next big economic cause was a big famine. Famine made the people desert their villages and wander in search of food. People had to dispose of their lands, mothers selling their children for a few days of food. See the political and the administrative unification of India because of famine. Next is the Indian reduced to an agricultural colony. States like Bihar, Bengal and Awadh emerged as a major producer of export crops like jute, opium and indigo. England also required cotton and oilseeds too. So Britishers made India an agricultural colony. Inhuman treatment. Peasants were forced to cultivate indigo and nothing else in the fields. If they did not follow their instruction, then the planters used to destroy crops, burned their houses and plundered cattle. Now next is the military cause. Low salary and poor prospects of promotion. All the high ranks in the army were reserved only for Britishers. The native sepoys could not rise above the rank of Raisaldar or Subedar. There was a faulty distribution of troops. The troops were not properly distributed. Now key places like Delhi and Allahabad had no British armies. England, they were engaged in several hostilities outside India like Persian War and Chinese War. The next military cause is the faulty distribution of the troops. The troops were not properly distributed. Now disproportion between Indian and British troops. When Dalhousie left India, the company's troops consisted of 2,33,000 of Indian soldiers, whereas British soldiers were only 45,322. So, Lord Dalhousie, he wrote to the authorities that more British soldiers should be drafted in the army, but that was failed. Social distance between the British officers and the Indian soldiers. Even though Indian soldiers were experienced, they were treated as unskilled servants. One of the proclamations said, "What has been the return for the blood that we shed? Only the British spoiled our people and degraded our princes." Loss of prestige of Afghan war. Afghan war was a complete failure from the British view of point. Result, enormous waste of money and loss of human life, but gain nothing. The war exposed Britishers' weakness too. This increased the self-confidence of the Indian soldiers who felt they would challenge the British in India also. Now this is the very important military cause, is the immediate cause, which is also known as the introduction of the Enfield rifles. The Enfield rifles were used in place of the old iron-made Brown Bess guns. The cartridges of the Enfield rifles were greased with the fat of cows and pigs. The cow is sacred for Hindus and Muslims considered pig as unclean. So, information of the greased cartridges became an immediate cause of First War of Independence. The whole Bengal army was seized with panic. Now, this immediate cause we can see in Hindi movie called Mangal Pandey. Next is the General Service Enlistment Act. This act provided that all recruits of the Bengal army should be ready for service everywhere, whether within or outside India. This caused a great alarm in the minds of Bengal army. Thank you.